As long as I do not want to put this camera on the ground. Okay, guys. Here we go again. So, hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Aquarium. So today, I am back with a superb dog day cicada. My dad found this cicada somewhere, and he said it was on the ground. Like superb dog day cicadas. You probably, if you live in Kingsland or Lano or Kansas, you probably would recognize this sound coming from the trees. It's these superb dog day cicadas. Here he is. Yeah, he's a boy. He can see the drums. He's a boy. No, you can see drums right there. And this is the pattern you would recognize on these kind of cicadas. Kind of blackish spots and such. That's what they have. And it is alive. I don't know what's going on here. Ooh, it flinched again. Here it is. The superb dog day cicada. Yep, I did some videos of these kind of cicadas in the past of summer 2020 or something like that. These guys are pretty loud. I gotta say. He's pretty strong, boy. He's pretty strong. Male cicada. I don't want to put this on the ground. But oh my gosh, that guy was stuck on me. Okay, he's getting stuck again. Not that autofocus thing. Autofocus is stupid right now at this moment. Okay. Don't mind if it gets a little blurry during the video, but that's just that autofocus. So it's just weird. Like those previous videos were like fails or something like that. It didn't quite. Oh my gosh! I got. Oh here we go again. Please get up. No. Not so sure how this is gonna work. Look at him. He's crawling on me. Not this big. Okay. No. Do not look at it. Okay. Get it. Ha! What the devil? Get that. Oops. Okay, guys. Here he is. The superb dog day cicada. See what's familiar about cicadas? Shoot, I got stabbed. Toe's bleeding. Nah, there was a sharp piece of wood right there, and I just threw it. Stepped on it. Yes.